My name is Stan Parker. I've been a service technician at Dahl Ford for 25 years, Senior Master Tech. Today I'm going to explain how to change a flat tire. Unfortunately, if you have one, but we want to put the parking brake on first, access your tire in the trunk of the car, remove the tire and the jack. You want to break the lug nuts loose before you raise the car in the air, because if you raise in the air, the tire is going to spin. After you have the lug nuts loose, you'll want to put the jack in the designated area. The owner's manual will explain where that's at. Underneath the car, there's a little notch or an arrow usually indicating where the jack would go. You would jack the car up, finish taking the lug nuts off, remove the tire, get your spare tire, put it on. You want to make sure you put it on the right direction, and the way to know that, the quickest way to know that is if the valve stem is facing you, then that's the correct way to put the spare tire on. Start your lug nuts, tighten them down finger tight or so, lower the car down to the ground, and tighten the lug nuts. They should be properly torqued, but that's tough to do when you're alongside the road, so just get them as tight as you can after you let the car down. If you're stuck or stranded, or you feel you don't have the confidence to do the job or don't feel it's safe for you to do, you can always call us at Dahl Ford, 563-391-2600 and ask for assistance. We'd be glad to help you.